So next topic is quarter wave plate. Quarter wave plate is the definition is if the thickness of a crystal plate is such that introduced phase difference of pi by 2 pi by 2 radian and the path difference is lambda by 4, then it is called as quarter wavelet. Quarter wavelet means, so I will explain the definition again. So after explaining this diagram, so let us consider this is a crystal, okay, double refracted crystal. So in this double refracted crystal, so this is a optic axis whose optic axis is parallel to the, okay, parallel to the surface of the crystal. Then so this unpolarized light, this is unpolarized light, okay, it contains okay two types of waves. So when the unpolarized light is incident on this crystal, then so I said the phenomena of double refraction, so it is travel in the one direction, but so it is resolved in, okay, refract in two rays, okay, as a ordinary ray and extraordinary ray. Why? Because okay, it is not move in the different directions, because of it is one directionally. So it is travel ordinary ray and extraordinary rays are ordinary wavefronts and extraordinary wavefronts in the same direction, because of so here this optic axis is exactly perpendicular to plane of incident. So that's why, so these double refracted ray is travel in one direction, but okay, it contain the two types of waves, that is ordinary wave and extraordinary wave. So this is the wavefront of ordinary ray, this is the wavefront of extraordinary wave. So from this diagram, so we know that, okay, we already discussed that ordinary with the velocity of extraordinary ray is always greater than the velocity of ordinary ray. So that means these extraordinary wavefronts are emergent, that is come outside from the crystal is faster than the ordinary waves. Okay, so that means the way these two waves, okay, there is a path difference between ordinary ray and extraordinary ray. So extraordinary ray is travel so faster than ordinary ray, okay. So this path difference is okay, whose waveplate has path difference is lambda by 4 and phase difference, okay, phase difference between ordinary ray and extraordinary ray which is come out, that is emergent outside from the crystal is pi by 2. It is said to be quarter waveplate. Quarter waveplate is nothing but, so when the thickness of the crystal, this is the crystal thickness of the crystal. So when a ray of light is travel inside the crystal and it is emergent outside, so there is a difference between ordinary velocity, ordinary rays and extraordinary ray. The whose waveplate has a path difference is lambda by 4 and phase difference is pi by 2. It is said to be quarter waveplate, okay. And so that means for a quarter waveplate, uh, the distance the distance travel should be lambda by 4, means, okay, suppose, okay, path difference means, so this is the extraordinary ray, this extraordinary ray is travel outside, come outside, then after pi by 4, after 5 by 4 distance, then ordinary ray is come outside. So the path difference between them is pi by 4. So that's why, so we know that, okay, path of a wave is mu into t. In previous class we learned, so path the distance traveled by the ray is mu into t. Mu is called as a refractive index, t is a time taken to come outside, okay. So from this ordinary ray minus extraordinary ray refractive index into t, that means this indicate that the path difference between ordinary ray and extraordinary ray come outside from the crystal is equal to lambda by 4. So from this, T is equal to thickness of glass plate is equal to lambda by 4 into mu naught minus mu e. Okay, so this is the quarter wave plate. Okay, so by this quarter wave plate we can find the thickness of a glass plate. Okay, so this what is the formula of thickness of a glass plate? So by using the quarter wave plate T is equal to lambda is nothing but so wavelength of the given ray and it by 4 into mu naught minus mu e. Next topic is similarly half wave plate. Half wave plate means same this topic before quarter wave plate. That means whatever the rays come out from the crystal path difference here is equal to lambda by 4. Okay, so in the half wave plate the thickness of the crystal plate is such that introduce path difference is path difference is lambda by 2 and phase difference is pi. So it is said to be half wave plate. Okay, so half wave plate means, okay, that means whatever the rays come out from the ordinary ray and extraordinary ray whose path difference is which plate has the path difference is pi by 2, it is said to be half wave plate. Okay, so from this conclusion, from the above similarly above topic, so that is mu naught minus mu e into T. So here mu naught minus mu e into T is a path difference of the waves come out from the crystal, that is ordinary ray and extraordinary ray, so whose path difference is equal to lambda by 2. So from this T is equal to lambda by 2 into mu naught minus mu e. So this is the expression for half wave plate. Okay, by using the half wave plate we can also find the thickness of the glass plate. Okay, so this is about half wave plate and quarter wave plate. Next topic is dichroism. Dichroism means, okay, it is also called a selective